say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Thank you.
Hildy? That's all, just Hildy. This is Hildy. Hildy, down. Hildy, up. Hildy, sit. Hildy, kiss. Oh, good girl. Okay, here's the trick on how to make your dog into a better pet so everybody gets more love. Don't yell at your dog. If anything, you want to speak in an assertive way, but never say their name in an angry way. So let's say they do something wrong, like, oh my gosh, one more time, they've pooped on your mother-in-law. So the proper way to correct that behavior is, Hildy, get their attention, don't say it angrily. Hildy, say her name with love, but assertively. Hildy, don't poop on Esther. Good dog. And always reward her. Not necessarily with a treat, but good dog does the trick. Yes, yes, yes. And also, if you call to your dog, like, Hildy, come, and she doesn't come, don't keep going, Hildy, come, Hildy, come, Hildy, come, especially if her name's not Hildy. Because what she does is what all of us do when we're nagged. We stop hearing it. And it just doesn't work. So if she doesn't come, you go over there, you get her and make her come to you, and then she'll understand that come means come. Mm-hmm. Right, Hildy? You know, she'll just like sit like this all day if I hold her. Hildy, is that correct? Hildy? See? Okay, I'm Hanala. Email me, do something. Bye. What's Will doing? Will. Go to Will. Hildy, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna beat the dog. Beating the dog. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Oh, thank you. What a good girl, taking off Mommy's lipstick. What a good girl.
Look at his face. Look at his face. Look at his face. Look at his face. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, my baby. This is my baby. This is my little girl.
Hildy, look at the camera. It's just a gorgeous face. It's just a prettiest little girl. Mommy loves Hildy.
Kisses. Oh, my baby. Here, turn around. Here. Wait. Hey, what? Hey. She'll just stay like that. And this is the way Mommy entertains herself when she's alone all weekend with nothing to do and nothing to watch on TV. What's Mommy doing? It's a little crazy. Hildy up.